Welcome. In this video, I will quickly explain what to do if your Logitech G305 X mouse isn't working from sleep mode. So, first of all, try connecting it to the computer using a wired cable, using the original wire that comes in the box with the mouse itself. This way, not only you will charge your device a little, but you will also get a direct connection that cannot be put into the sleep mode. And after that, your sleep mode should be disabled automatically. You can also try to switch in the connection type from the Lightspeed to Bluetooth and see if this works for you. And if this actually works, you should check for pairing issues. We actually have a separate video on our channel which is titled Fix Logitech G305 X SUPERLIGHT Not Detected by G HUB, which you can also check in this video. In that video, I explained how to repair your mouse with the G HUB, even in case if it's not responding. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.